everyone, my name is Belita Lobo and I will be releasing a cover version of a most beautiful and a meaningful song, Tujhse Naraz Nahi Zindagi, on the 23rd of March, which happens to be the 4th death anniversary of my beloved lecturer, Miss Joylyn Monas. This was one of her favorite songs. Her death has made me realize that life is very short and we need to explore all the gifted talents. And I am doing my share. This cover will be a small tribute to her. Hope to entertain you all with my voice and a small message with it. Please continue to support me through your prayers. And a small request to everyone. Please explore all the gifted talents before it's too late. Kya pata kal ho na ho. Thank you. God bless us all. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.